Okay, it's time. I finally finished and ready to show you the big update for easy material setup. How to install this shader. It's very easy. Download and unzip the file to any folder on your computer. I have this file. I'm selected. Press Ctrl C and create new folder in documents. I name it SV2. Ctrl V and paste my file and extract all. Okay, I'm extract my file and delete zip. Next, I need go to the Blender and Edit tab, Preference, File Path tab, click plus to Asset Library, and I need select my folder, click Add Asset Library, and say Preference. It's all asset installed. Go check it. Replace this window to Asset Browser. Current file to Easy Material Stop with. And we see all what have this asset. Go to the Material tab, Render Mode View, and check Material. It's work. The installation was successful. Now, every time you need this material, they'll be at your fingertips. Let's go over the material in more detail. Inside the material preset, you have 16 metal, I use object for preview material and change lighting to this room. Okay. Go to the metal, it's 16 metal material, full generated. This damage is full mass. I don't use any picture. If you need, we have control. Go to the open new tab and replace the shadow editor. Change to metal 5. Then go small control. More rusty or more metal, or maybe it's more damage. I use not rendered add-on, and if I click Ctrl Shift click, my node connect to surface and I see how it works. If you see, this is damage. If I control this, it's combined to this input inside this shader, and I have this result. And I have possible modify this result on these sliders. Okay, go you another material. Easy material setup have 16 plastic material preset. So simple to use. Rock preset. I change object to maybe horse. And rock material. Now, if you need more control, go to the shader editor and change value. For example, I need more green, and I search this and change this value. More green, what I need. If I need change color, I change color to my rock. It's damage zone and custom damage zone color. If don't custom, have custom. Great result. Okay, next. Next, this shader have 6 snow. It's snow use displacement and simulate snow. We have control if it need. It's your material, and if you need combine your material and snow material, you connect your material to this input and you have combined two materials. And if I need more snow or little snowy, I'm go to the easy snow shader and I need change this or this or this value or invert it. Of course, because it displacement, we have a small bug. But it works so simple and fast for your material. It's full snow, only snow material. Don't use displacement. And next we have 16 damage wood material and 16 wood material. Go to the wood and next damage wood. And now, if I need more control, I'm open new window, change to shader editor, and I need change color. I'm go to my shader and change color to red maybe. And okay, if you need a quick change wood structure, you have combine based color factor mixer. You see it's fast change wood structure. Okay, next go damage wood. And to end, I show you how use geometry nodes and snow. We need go to the geometry nodes and go to the preset. Use preset, drop to your viewport. If you see, don't change this because we need select collection. I'm move to send collection and select collection. Oh, and for white snow, I'm DR scale. Okay, I have this bug. And for fix it, I go to the voxel size and change to little more. add plane, S scale, G, Z down. If you see, it's so cool work. I'm change this room to this, or maybe this. Okay. Add Suzanne. Subdivide. And shade after smooth. Maybe change material to Suzanne on Suzanne. Thank you for watching. It's all for this moment. Thank you. Goodbye.